Clark & Associates are proud to present the Southard Ranch in Wheatland, Wyoming. Located just 16 miles north of Wheatland along the Interstate 25 corridor, this 12,387 contiguous acre executive ranch is a one-of-a-kind opportunity. 8,447 acres are deeded, with the remaining 3,940 acres being state of Wyoming lease acres. Private and scenic tree-covered rangeland provide excellent conditions for not just cattle, but also a thriving population of elk, mule deer, and numerous other species of wildlife. The ranch qualifies for 2 landowner elk tags in Area 7, known for its trophy bulls. The lush creek-bottom meadows of Cottonwood Creek make for excellent grazing and is home to white-tailed deer, pheasants, and many other bird species. Cottonwood Creek meanders through the ranch for over 3 miles and is a year-round water source. A prolific spring creates a riparian area with multiple ponds rich with waterfowl. Creating a park-like setting, the owners have developed and maintained this area, including the 3-acre pond that is aerated, has a boat dock, and has an entertainment area for barbecues. The pond is stocked with rainbow trout, bass, and bluegill. There are 3 center pivots on the ranch, irrigating 180 acres, with an additional 79 acres being flood irrigated. The creek bottoms, 3 pivots, and irrigated hay meadows provide winter pasture and calving pastures that also produce high-quality forage. The 3rd pivot is located on the open grasslands in the south end of the ranch. The Southard Ranch is home to 350 registered Angus cow-calf pairs year-round, and these cattle are also included in the purchase price. The marquee feature of the Southard Ranch is the first-class livestock and equine complexes, which are of the finest quality. They include an indoor cattle working facility with sale ring, offices, apartment, 2 feedlots, a mare barn, exercise barn, arena, horse paddocks, equipment storage and shop, commodities shed, and a home. The nearly 25,000 square foot livestock complex was built in 2017 and has steel and stone siding and a metal roof. Some of the internal areas are partially completed and will need to be finished out by the future owner. The south end of the cattle barn is dedicated to multiple offices, bathrooms, 2 conference rooms, a kitchen, sale ring, and an upstairs VIP lounge and viewing area. The middle of the complex is a 150 head capacity sorting area and hydraulic cattle working chute. Next to the cattle working area is a 36 by 22 vet lab and half bathroom. The north end of the livestock complex is a beautiful apartment with living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a Jack and Jill bathroom. Equine facilities are robust and set up for custom breeding and foaling. 2,934 square foot horse barn is insulated, heated, and complete with mare stall cameras. It includes concrete and rubber flooring, pine tongue and groove ceilings, a washer and dryer utility room, feed room, a tack room, hot water wash rack, saddling stall, and 8 stalls with outdoor runs. The 7,104 square foot insulated and heated exercise barn includes a programmable horse exerciser with dust mitigation irrigation system and arena drag, and a concrete hay storage area. There are multiple horse paddocks with lean-tos and pipe fence, including 7 1-acre paddocks with lights. The 12,174 square foot shop is insulated and heated with concrete floors, 5 14-foot overhead doors, a secure vault, and restroom. Many implements are included in the purchase price, and the equipment list is found on our website. The employee's home was built in 2017 and is 1,848 square feet with a 2-car garage, mudroom, a finished basement, open plan concept, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 bathrooms. The commodity storage barn is nearly 200 feet wide and 40 feet deep. The lower feedlot includes another set of cattle working facilities, a loadout ramp, a barn, shed, and steel one-piece feed bunks. Surrounded by beautiful creek bottom meadows is the manager's home and owner's home. The manager's home was remodeled in 2017, is 1,386 square feet on the main level with a finished basement, and has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The owner's home was also beautifully remodeled recently. It is 1,913 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms and excellent finishes. Designed for entertaining and enjoying the scenery, the outdoor patio area also includes a storage room, guest bathroom, and guest room. Additional guests to the ranch can enjoy the privacy and comfort of the beautiful cabin and bunkhouse. The Southard Ranch, a once-in-a-lifetime Wyoming ranch including cattle and equipment.